Hello, welcome back to Brand Sushi Live Noding. In this episode, I'm sharing this setup that's basically generating this kind of cricket LED. So this is for for my procedural music creations. Maybe the title is like Restless Cricket, um, similar to Zelda Breath of the Wild. Restless Cricket. Okay, so what's happening here is actually really quite simple. So where should I start? Maybe I should start with the sphere chalk nodes. Start with the orange one because it's the one gives output, and this is the input, the cricket. Okay, so everything here is procedural, and it's actually quite simple to create. I have two different ways to show this. So first one is displaying it as lines. I can control the stepping or the gap between crickets. You can replace the cricket with anything, with Susan head, etc. This is another version where it goes in the circle. You have seen this before. I think this is a good example, and it should go to my imaginary Blender sphere chalk nodes books. The output here, I'm using vertex color because it's the easiest, it's the simplest to create procedurally, and we can pass the color for each cricket. So we are using the same material for each cricket that's being generated on the fly. For each cricket, I'm giving it a different color, and the color that goes in here will make it kind of glowing. I'm using EV. It's gonna work in cycles as well. It's actually probably better as cycles, but with EV you can have this nice automatic bloom. And the way I set it up, the shader is basically principles, and I just add it with emissions. I think this is the right way to do it, so you can make it really like glowing. So I think this is kind of nice. So this is the vertex color that's unique, has unique color for each one of them, and we make them glowing based on this RGB value that's coming in. So you can really play around with this. The only part that's maybe slightly advanced is this split. So I give it for each cricket. I generate a random number between 0 and 1, and I map the range. So we have control over the value really from 0 to 1 to any new minimum and maximum, and then you split the value so each one of them can get a different color. So you can see here 12 and 12. Okay, so yeah, that's actually pretty much it. The Restless Cricket LED. I just need to add sounds to this. Yeah, and the color is random, but you can also use noise, and you can make some kind of tunes based on this, and it's gonna be live. Okay, maybe the next step is turning this into AR. So, right, thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.